Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all well. Today is a video request by the lovely Debbie. Debbie is one of my VIP lounge member. The VIP lounge is a subscription that I offer on my website, and this month you get this page as a bonus page, which is in fact I think I got it here, yeah. So it's that, but of course there's 6. I have used those 2. And Debbie said, "Oh, Antonio, I really love these steampunk creatures. Can you do a video how to make some quick ephemera?" Now, I hope this literally like a 2 seconds video to make some envelopes. But what you can do with those, if you have, I got some ephemera on my desk. This is a postcard, and this is another postcard. You can use them to put it on top of your existing ephemera just to add some additional layer and additional interest, or you can put this on top of tags. I got these tag patches here, so you can put them in there and then put your tags on inside. Again, lots of ideas, but I thought let's make some super quick and fast envelopes. Before I show you the envelopes, let me showcase the VIP lounge paper for the month of May. Guys, these are the VIP lounge papers for the month of May. The inspiration is the Circus. This is why it's called Circus Mania. Love it. It's a very large kit. It's got 19 pages, so this is the biggest ever VIP lounge kit that I have designed so far, and I promise to my VIP members that the kits are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, because you know it's great to get good value for money. Let me go through every page and I'll be as quick as I possibly can. So there's a lot of background, so and the color palette is exactly the same. So this kit has been designed to mix and match. As you can see, all the papers match, so you can do complete project, journal, cards, gift boxes. You can create a lot of things using this because, as I said, everything match. So yeah, you've got lots of background. So you've got every artist from the circus. I love that. This is one of my favorite page. The color combination is the red and the turquoise. I think it really work. It really does, because as a color combination is all blend. You've got another page with 2 circus curtains, because I thought you can do pop-up cards, square, but you can cut them and fold them as you wish. Another background with a little dancer, and then you got the circus, the carousel, and loads of flowers, etc. I love this kit. This is probably one of my favorite kit that I have ever designed. You got the little clown there with the flowers. This is another favorite of mine, because again, I think blue and red, that sort of turquoise teal, kind of like a Tiffany color, works really well with the deep red and pinks. It's like a little horse from the carousel. And I think the stripe as well, the stripes and the floral as a combination works as a strong contrast. And got a collage here. Love it. You got the Cannon Man. There you go. Fun. Is this a handsome horse rider? Then you got the carousel and the flowers there. Oh, I can't wait to see what my VIP members will make using those papers. And of course, guys, you can join anytime. So you join this month and you get these papers. Oh, this is my favorite. This is the page with the collage and a lot of ephemeras that I pulled together. This is the fire eater. Very vintagey, very shabby inspired as well. Then I wanted to give you guys a geometric background that you can use as a layering element. So again, this is great for like card making or journal pages, or you can make envelopes or tags. So just some blank image that you can create what you want. The beauty of these guys, of these papers, they can be used as they are, or you can fussy cut the little embellishment one by one. So they're very versatile. That's the beauty of the digital papers. This one here is a milk carton box. Okay, so you've got the 4 sides and the base. So when you do it up, it looks like this. So you've got your 4 squares, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are those 4. You got the 2 bases, and then you got the 2 triangles, which are basically those. Okay, so this triangle here is this one. So when you pinch fold, it stays like this, and this band on top, it will be the closure. So you can glue it, or you can put a peg. I like put a little peg, so the person that received the gift box can reuse it and pass it on, or just put something else inside rather than destroy it. Of course, you need to print on cardstock, very thick one. Okay, so this is purely paper. Then you get a page with some tabs, another geometric background, but now I enhance the flowers. Okay, so this can be, again, an entirety, or you can chop it, you can make tags, you can do anything that you want. I gave you a few envelopes. So there's a scallop envelope and 2 regular size, no more traditional rectangular envelope. So that's the 2 size, that's the bottom, and that's the top that fold over. And then last but not least, I actually gave you 2 pillow boxes as well. So my kit, my VIP kit, they're very large, contains everything: background, tags, gift boxes, envelopes, everything. I mean, if you do like sweets, or you can use them as a popcorns if you do like a movie night, I think they're great. Also, every month we get the VIP Lounge get a gift box letter. This month is the letter M. We're doing literally halfway the alphabet. So the letter M is this one here. So you get, of course, on a piece of paper, you need to print on thicker cardstock. So you get an assembly instruction, and also you get a private video filmed by me that I share step by step how to put this together. And yeah, let me show you what the gift box looks like when it's all done up. Okay, so this is what the letter M looks like when it's done up. So that's the front, or that's the back, or you decide what's the front and what's the back, and then you go all the sides. Very, very easy and fun to make. And let me show you all the alphabet that we made so far. So I've got them here on my side. So we've got A, B, C, D, E, love that, F, J, and every month is different. As you can see, you've got different styles. G, H, love that, I, then we get J, K, more than anything, J, K, if I can speak, and letter L, which was last month, and then this month is letter M. So yeah, halfway through the alphabet. If you guys just discover my VIP Lounge, if you want all the paper, all the rest of the gift boxes, so all the alphabet, let me know in the email, and I'm sure we can work things around. But yeah, that's this month. Let's see what I can spell. I'm just gonna spell one word. I'm gonna spell fame, and E. What's the E? Fame. But you can write your names. Can I write my name? Not yet, because I haven't got the rest of my letter. But yeah, it's very, very fun. Sorry, I can play with this forever. And then last but not least, this month you got a bonus page with these beautiful steampunk creatures. I love designing those. They're very sassy. They're very cute. I think I'm going to make some embellishment with this. I think I'm going to do a video next week because I say so. Okay, guys. So the starting point are the envelope base. So I'm using those 2 pages here. This is from my very large ephemera pack, which is available on my website. I've got it here. Ooh. So it's a very large, I'm using some bits and pieces. Yeah, it's a very large paper kit full of ephemera collages. They're all antique, they're all original. And then I scanned them and played them with colours. I've had them yeah, bits and pieces. Yeah, it's a very, very, very large pack. Okay, so I've got two of the pages. So how we make envelope, I'm going to use the envelope punch board in its cleaning. I do apologize. Now I don't know where the bone folder is gone from that, because it's definitely not here and it's nowhere to be seen. Never mind. So these lovely creatures are, they measure about 3.5 by 4. So to make it easier, let's call it 4 by 4. So card size 4 by 4. So the paper should be 6 7/8 by 6 7/8. So let's open it up. I get my trimmer out. So 6 7/8 by 6 7/8. I'm gonna keep hold of this scrap because I might use it for something else. And then so where are we? So we score 3.5. Is it? Hold on, 3.5. Yes. So 3.5 punch and score, and then punch and score, and then punch and score, and then last punch and score. Okay, so what I like to do, I like to round out the points. Okay, so that should make the envelope. Oh, it's not cut it. I didn't press very hard, to be fair. And the reason why is because if I press it hard, my desk shakes. So I try not to disturb your view, but never mind, I rectified it. And then just simply fold it inwards. You see, the envelope punch board is a sort of tool. I have mine for years and years and years. It's going, I mean, I use it very, very often. And it's a sort of piece of, like, call it tool, that you always have it in your desk, in your stash, and you kind of like use it. I really recommend you to get one, because it's something that once you got it forever. So then we're just going to put some glue in there. Okay. And then, so that's one. I'll do only one with you guys, and then I'll do the rest. Which one should we use? I think I'm going to use... What you can do, you can use some doilies and layer them up, but I want you to be able to see the paper on the bottom. Okay, so yeah, because it's quite nice ephemera. Okay, I'm gonna do the second one. I'll be right back. That's done. Very, very simple, very quick. So I hope, Debbie, I'll give you some ideas today. Right, guys, if you wish to join my VIP lounge subscription and get papers, gift boxes, freebies, bonus papers, discount, etc, etc, you get loads for your money. Let me show you where to do so on my website. You've got two payments ways. Once every month, just £5, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can join once a year, so you just pay one, and then that will last for 12 months, which is cheaper. Okay, let me show you my website. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomex.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a Gold Butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website. 3 mini, at least 4 pages each. A monthly offer or a gift. A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the Gold Butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up. Thank you so much to all of my VIP members for sticking up with me and enjoy the VIP lounge every month. Debbie, I hope you like this super cute fast ephemera idea. Guys, I will see you in the next couple of days for another video, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.